How you can use Meta AI for image creation in WhatsApp. So first thing first, uh, I assume that you have already downloaded the Meta AI app. And first thing, let me tell you that you won't be able to create any kind of images with WhatsApp Meta AI. So you basically need to download the different Meta AI from App Store or Play Store in your mobile device. So once everything's done, simply open the Meta AI, and you will be able to see there is three lines at the top left corner of this section. So just tap on that three lines, and you can see there is lots of options in menu. So just select the second option, which is chat, and once you select it, you can see there is varieties of options on in the screen. But rather than that, you can simply enter your prompt in here to create your images whatever you want, or you can simply tap on the plus icon, and you can see there is two options in here. First one is camera and gallery. So you can simply upload your image from gallery as well, and you can modify it, and yeah, you will be able to create your image from Meta AI successfully. And you can simply download it, and you can send it to WhatsApp or whatever platform you want. And yeah, basically this is how, and this is the process to use Meta AI to create image in WhatsApp or in Meta AI. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.